Let's talk about digital advertising and specifically some stocks that you might be interested in as a potential investment. Hashtag not personalized financial advice, of course.
Last week of December and into January, there's an even bigger chance that year over year the market's going to be up. So the sooner you tend to invest, the better. Not financial advice.
So first I want to say, I have no stock courses for you to buy, no financial information to sell you anywhere in this video, no emails or newsletters to sign up for, no seminars, no webinars. I am not a financial advisor and I'm not licensed to talk about any of this.
Now we have a dilemma because history shows September has been a bad month for cryptocurrency. I'm going to do a video directly about that next, but right now I'm going to give you guys my opinion, not financial advice, just which ones I think that is popping.
Raise your hand if you've seen that in a video before. I'm Lando Success. So basically what I'm doing today, since I am a financial YouTuber, and no, this is not financial advice, this is just an observation, because since I'm in this industry, I usually watch other channels and see what they're doing great, what they're doing bad, if they're succeeding, or if things is slowing down. And especially with my channel, things have been slowing down. So I wanted to do a deeper dive and see exactly what's going on. And is this the end of financial YouTubers and what's going to happen next? And all your boy asks in return is for you guys to hit the like button and subscribe button. It help out my channel, help push it out to a bunch of people. So let's get over 1,000 likes on this video. So the first thing I did was a simple Google search. Who is the best personal finance YouTubers in the world? You have the GOAT in finance, and that is Graham Stephan. You have to give him his credit. Then you have Andre Jig, you have Nate O'Brien, you have the Meet Kevins, Brian Jungs, a lot of different finance YouTubers, right? But me, I'm a person that like to go to the numbers. Show me the numbers and let's go from there. So if you go to a site that I like called Social Blade, so what that do is show us the numbers such as if people been getting views, if they've been getting subscribers, the money that is like 0% accurate. If you look at Graham's channel, his views has been going up. It's honestly like at an all-time high where he is reaching over 34 million views a month, with 35 in the last 30 days. So that's over 1 million views a month. Now, yes, this is added with shorts. So shorts automatically get you a lot more views, but still, this is great. Now, if you look at the subscriber count, you went from 190,000 subscribers in 1 month to the lowest was 10 or 20,000. And the last and most recent one was 30,000, which is still good for a channel that have over 4 million subscribers. So you can't get all the subscribers after a while. So my analysis of Graham Stephan channel is actually doing great. He's making money, it's consistent. And at the end of this video, I'm actually going to break down why his channel is actually being so successful. The next one I want to look at is financial education. This is Jeremy. He's one of the OGs. So he's been doing it longer than everybody. But when you look at his subscribers is down, his views is down, subscribers down a lot. It's actually one that you can see it's a -1,000. So people is unsubscribing, and we're going to break down why is that happening with his channel. If you go to Nate O'Brien channel, I never really watched any of his videos, but the numbers is showing the exact same thing where things is going down. Next, we have Meet Kevin. Meet Kevin is one of the most controversial finance YouTubers because he produced content non-stop, and with him doing multiple videos a day, you still see his views is kind of at an all-time low, such as within the last year, and his subscribers is going to 0 subscribers in a month to 10,000. So it's been kind of struggling also. And last but not least, you have your boy Lando Success, and mine is not looking as bad when it comes down to the views, but the subscribers, you see I have crazy spikes and it matches right there. And then we have lows, so my channel is struggling also. And being transparent, I'm not trying to bash on anybody's channel. I'm just doing a video to see, is this the death of finance YouTubers? I'm included in finance YouTubers, so any of you guys don't take it personal because I'm doing the same thing with myself. Y'all will be okay. So the next thing you want to ask yourself is, why is the views and subscribers actually going down? And it's always usually a correlation with the market. How is the financial market doing, such as stocks and cryptocurrency? So if we look at the Dow Jones, it really don't look that bad. You go year to date, okay, things is kind of in a positives, things in the green. Year it's up. 2 years is kind of down, but the thing you have to look at is 2020. Once COVID happened, we had our lowest mark and everything you invested in turned into gold. So at this point, it really wasn't a bad investment, because if you invested in anything, you got rich, you got wealthy, you invested in crypto, you invested in certain stocks. So everybody looked as if they was a stock or financial expert, because whatever they said to invest in, it kind of worked. But if you zoom out, the stock market is technically down in the last 2 years. So when you don't see that much excitement, that much growth, you don't see a lot of momentum. Look at the NASDAQ. Even though the NASDAQ looked great year to date, a lot of money grown. Look at that in the last year, last 2 years, it's been crashing hard, and now it's finally starting to recover. And it's also a same correlation with Bitcoin. You look at Bitcoin in the last year, you like, look, Orlando, it was $20,000 for Bitcoin. Now it's at 26. This looks great, right? Wrong. It looks just as bad as everything else, because if you go back to 2 years, that 2020 time when things spiked up and everybody made money, this is when people invested in it the most, right here and right here, and everybody been losing money kind of ever since. So you don't really have too many new crypto investors that came in right here. So if you do the correlation with stocks and crypto, things haven't been too exciting for people to want to get in and invest. And that means people haven't been searching and looking for stocks or crypto and any type of advice, any type of game. And that brings me to the next thing, which is Google Trends. Google Trends usually tell you what people are searching for. And if you look in the last 12 months, cryptocurrency literally had its height in November of 2020. It was ranked 100 at an all-time high. I'm assuming that's probably when the FTX crash and all the crazy stuff was going on with Sam Bankman-Fried. But if you look at it right now, it's down to 33. The lowest it's been in last year is a 30. So people haven't been directly searching for cryptocurrency. You look at a Graham Stephan, his stuff has still been kind of evenly going. You see March, people were searching for him high, and then you're seeing an all-time low in the last 12 months of 22. But right now it's at a 40. So Graham's searchable content is not as bad, and soon we will tell you why. But in the meantime, we have to stop and thank our sponsor, the like button. If you haven't hit that like button already, make sure you do it right now. We need 1,000 likes. So stop playing around, press that thing, and let's get right back into it. So now I want to break down 3 different channels, and I want to do it from a viewer perspective and somebody that's in this industry to basically give some advice, to give some game. And it's not financial game. This is just telling you guys what I see. If we go to Meet Kevin, the good thing about his channel is his channel evolved more like a news channel. So if you want to know what's going on in the market right now, today, you go to his channel instead of going to Yahoo Finance. He's very good at articulating exactly what's popping, what's going on, and he can do a great analysis on it. Now, the con about doing daily videos the way he do as a news channel is you start to have a 9 to 5. If he produce content and do videos, he's going to get views. If he stop producing content and stop doing videos, he's not going to get any views. So he can't really take a break. And when you go back to the numbers and the analytics of things, it's been real tough. You have to revamp your page or do one thing that I'm about to advise. And that takes us over to Graham Stephan channel, 4.36 million subscribers. Graham, just give your boy 100,000. I just need a quick 100,000. That's all your boy need. I'm not asking for a lot, you know, just give me 1% of them subscribers and we'll be good to go. But Graham videos, you look at first people was mad because it was doom and gloom. I stopped watching them because every single video, oh no, the world about to end, is bad. But he finally started getting back to positive type of videos and trying to reinvent his channel and do different type of strategies. The reason Graham Stephan channel is still getting views, still getting subscribers, because he is doing what we call evergreen content. That is content that you can do today that can last forever, that can last a year from now, 2 years, people can still be searching that. Meet Kevin is doing content that's more news every single day. People not going to search for it within the next 3 days. But look at Graham Stephan's channel. This video he did 10 days ago, making $1,000 per day watching videos. This video can get views 5 years from now. How to get ahead of the 99% of people. Do this now. This video can literally get views forever. Why I don't spend money. So his channel is more towards evergreen content, and that is the best way to go in my personal opinion. And the last one I wanted to look at was financial education with Jeremy. Since he's the OG, he's one of the first ones that came into this scene. A lot of people respect him and know what's going on. You see his channel is at 700,000. It's been stuck there for a while. Haven't been able to reach over the million mark. And you look at it, everything about it is terrible in my opinion. Your thumbnails is you with no shirt off, terrible face, no title to get searchable content. Everything about his content is bad, in my personal opinion. And Jeremy, you can take this personal because you need to. You gotta edit, you gotta evolve your channel after a while. And that's why you see people going negative subscribers, and it's probably a lot of bots over there. I'm assuming at this point he got so much money, he just gonna put out the content he wanna put out, and he really don't care about the numbers and the analytics. But sooner or later, you have to play the game if you want to stay relevant in this industry. And last, we go to my channel. So even though I haven't been as active, because I was doing the Meet Kevin, doing daily videos nonstop, but I got uninspired. I just got tired of doing those videos. And now I want to be more creative, such as doing deep, detailed financial videos or whatever videos I want to do. I will still do my up-to-date videos, but I want something that actually take me a while to edit and put some love into it. But the reason my video is still getting views and I'm still getting paid, even though I'm doing 80% less of the work, is because I took my own advice instead of taking everybody else's advice, saying you have to niche down and only stick to one thing. On my channel, I didn't want to do that. So you see my highest view video is buying a Chick-fil-A franchise. The next one is about crypto. Then the next one is about hustling and teaching people how to make money. The next one is how people can get a loan and make money. You have a big mixture of a lot of different things. My channel, I like to teach people how to make money, how to hustle, how to save, how to invest. And then I want to just talk about some politics sometimes. And I know a lot of people feel that can hinder their channel, but with me, it's my channel, so let me do what I want to do. And the last thing of advice I have is to start a new channel about something that have nothing to do what you're currently doing right now. I actively probably run about 5 different channels. Some channels people don't even know about. I have faceless channels, but the one I've been most active on is my top sports debate page. That is sports. So I talk sports all the time with my friends. I'm like, I might as well make some money while doing it. And this channel has been growing. I can talk basketball, I can talk baseball, I can talk about anything, because usually every day you have a different type of breaking news. Somebody got traded today. So that would be my advice. Go directly towards evergreen content that can possibly last forever, and you can stay getting paid even when you take off and you're not motivated how I was for a good second. So let me know in the comments if you guys honestly believe this is the end of financial YouTubers. I personally believe it's going to pop back up once the stock market start going back crazy. Once cryptocurrency start going back crazy, people is going to come back in and they're going to be searching for the content. So you got to have it available for them. Just in the meantime, you have to have a different way so you can be consistent. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'm Lando Seth. Talk to you guys soon.